Today I am going to show you about the multiplication of two-digit numbers using Vedic mathematics. This method is very useful for day-to-day calculations, for your aptitude examinations, for any kind of logical examinations, at the same time in your businesses also. So let's start with the method. This method comprises of three steps. Let's take an example of 24 into 48. So we want to multiply 24 into 48 in our number, and for that the rule number 1, that the step 1 is that multiply the unit digits of these two number and write the answer. So what's the answer? 4 into 8, 32. So you have to write 2 here and 3 should be carry over. So in the next step, what we have to do, we have to multiply the tens digit number of the first number into the unit digit of the second number, addition of tens digit of the second number into unit digit of the first number. So you will find that the answer will be 2 into 8, 16 plus 4 into 4, 16 plus 3 equals to 35. So again write 5 here and carry over 3. In the last step, we have to multiply the tens digit number of the first number into tens digit of the second number and add the carried over. So what will be the tens digit number of multiplication? 2 into 4, 8. So 8 plus 3 was the carried over, so equal to 11. Just write 11 here. So this is what the answer is for 24 cross 48. So friends, if we try to do this with the normal method, what will be the answer? You can just let's try with the normal conventional method. So it will be 24 into 48. Now the first step, what we will be doing, 8 4s are 32, then 3 carry over, 8 2s are 16 plus 3, 19. Then we will write 0 here, then we will do 4 into 4, 16, 1 carry, then 4 2s are 8 and 9, and then we will be adding it. So in this, what is the answer? 2, 15 and 1 carried, so 1152. Now if you see friends, you can get the answer from both method, but with the Vedic mathematics method, if you do proper practice and all, you will be able to solve that problems very easily and very fastly. Your efficiency can increase by more than 80%. From in my case, it increased from like first with this normal method I used to take nearly 50 to 60 odd seconds. Now with this Vedic mathematics method, I am just taking 10 seconds to solve the two-digit multiplications. So I do believe कि if you practice it much more, you will be able to solve lot of problems with Vedic mathematics method, and very easily you can solve. At the same time, your fear for the mathematics, for the multiplication can reduce drastically. So friends, let's take with another example. So the another example is about let's 95 into 52. So what's the first step? We have to multiply the unit digit of the both number. So 5 into 2 is equals to 10. So write here 0 and 1 will be carried over. So in the second step, what we will be doing? Multiply the tens digit of the first number into unit digit of the second number plus tens digit of the second number into unit digit of the first number. So 9 into 2 will be 18 plus 5 into 5, 25 plus 1 was the carried over. So what is there? 44. So we have to write 4 here and 4 will be carried over. In the last step, what we have to do? We have to multiply the tens digit of the first number into tens digit of the second number plus the carried over. So what will be the answer? It will be 9 5s are 45 plus 4 is the carried over, it's 49. So just write 49 here directly. So the answer for 95 into 52 will be 49 into 4940. Hope you have learned this method, and I really hope that you will practice this. Once you are thorough with the practice of multiplication of two-digit number, you will find very easy to do multiplication. See you in the next video.